Hi everyone! Thank you for watching my channel. Today, I'm going to show you an easy way to arrange peonies. This is a super simple way to arrange them. Make sure to watch until the end, so let's get started. Today's flower are peonies. Australian rosemary. And delphinium. Do you like peonies? I absolutely love them. Big, bold flowers like these just make me feel excited. Today, I'm going to place the Kenzan on the right side and start arranging from there, depending on the flowers and the container you are using. Placing the Kenzan in the center to the right or to the left can create different and beautiful effects. First, we'll start by placing the main flower. Today, the peony is our main flower. Choose one that's already blooming and cut the stem a little longer than the width of your container. When you cut it, make sure to cut the stem at an angle. This helps the flower absorb water more easily and keeps it fresh longer. When arranging, take a good look at the expression of each flower. Try to place them so they look as if they are facing upward. Lively and full of energy. Turn the flower around and observe it from all angles to find its best side. Once you've decided on the direction, insert the stem on the right side of the Kenzan. Hold it with both hands. Insert it straight down vertically. Then gently tilt it forward at a 45-degree angle. Here's how it looks from another angle. Next, we'll add the second peony. Cut this one a little longer than the first peony we arranged. Insert it behind the first peony. Again, take a good look at the flower's expression before placing it. If the flower is too big and heavy, and the stem doesn't stay firmly in the Kenzan, cut about 5 cm of the remaining peony stem. Then, use that piece to support the base of the flower. It will help the peony stand up beautifully and easily. If the stem starts to weaken and the flower begins to droop while you're arranging, just trim the damaged part of the stem and place it back into the Kenzan. Next, put in the delphiniums. Take a good look at the flowers and prune them back. Let's choose this one. Oh, the stem is too thin to fit in the Kenzan. That's when bamboo scales come in handy. Take a leftover peony stem and make a small hole in it using a bamboo scale. Then, insert the stem of the delphinium into the hole, just like this. This makes it much easier to place it into the Kenzan. Do the same with the other delphiniums. The leaves of the delphinium also look beautiful in the arrangement. So don't throw them away. Use them too. In Ikebana, we try to bring out the natural character of each flower. so that it looks as if it's growing straight from the earth, full of life and freshness. After placing 3 or 4 delphinium stems around the peonies, let's take a good look at the flowers from different angles. Finish the arrangement by adding the Australian rosemary. When choosing Australian rosemary, look for branches with a nice curve. Remove the leaves from the lower part of the rosemary branch. You won't need them. Doing this will help your arrangement look cleaner and more refined. They'll help give your arrangement a beautiful, elegant finish. It might be tricky to place the branch, but don't worry, just take your time and keep going. The more you observe, the better you'll know how to arrange them beautifully. Let's also add a few peony leaves. They'll bring a nice balance and make the arrangement feel more natural. All done. Does the placement in the Kenzan look okay? How did you like today's flowers? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. May flowers bring peace and joy to your day. By the way, I've written a book about the healing power of flowers available in both English and Japanese. If you are interested, you can find the link in the description below. Please take a look. See you next time. Bye!